ayikhwale unto into zami ngazami ibhodlela mningana hayi akusabi ukuveza ngabe ngiyazi makaveza ayingenze phunyuka bemphethe awuphethe yaqala lapho lento emakhaya ngabona ukuthi emakhaya strong mfethu badlala ilanga lishisa mfethu ngiyabona hayi ngabadlala ngomuthi yonke lento le masingene eground yosithwa so ngatshela umama athi mama lapho emakhaya ngakwazi ukudlala ibhola kanjani ngoba vele ibhola ngiyalithanda
bakhula la
bathi umama ayikhuleka nokuhambisa umntwana nami ngifika lapha ayizange hesitate that's high boy thatha lokho hlanganisa idzawo uyagcoba nje ukhulume khuleka noma ngathi ngifuna 5 goals awu namakhe ichief ngabathi mi 5 iplani lizovela alizovela ilwane lezosathi ibhola zithi ngiphume kanje ngiphume ngi1 sinethe ayivele ngibone ukuthi that's my keeper wena.
And you know what's not surprising? We started the season, Musa came halfway along the season, but he was top goal scorer. The people who started the season were already scoring, but like every match is scoring 3+ goals, 3+ goals. I'm like, what's happening? He's not even training at that time. He's like, Achimelu,
I mean, you remember the other time, I look for you. Ndo shaya goals la lepa space. Ashaya goals esenza.
Yeah.
Uthathola ngashaya ibhola bese liphendukele. Hey wena.
Awuzenze. Ngiyakhumbula